the switch, right? You can see there, that bolts onto that. But my issue was that, you see how the injectors are tucked under there? They're a decent size, but they don't interfere with the bottom of this. Because the bottom of this is a lot closer down than like a stock lower plenum. So, but yeah, glad that worked out. I'm gonna button up a few more things and then see where I call it quits today. So, all right, got some work done on the Z today. I went ahead and installed the ATI super damper crank pulley. I didn't really film too much of it because I'll be 100% honest with you, it was kind of a pain in the ass. My keyway on the crank was like moving when I was trying to put the pulley on, so I had to like take it out and then like make sure it was sitting perfect and then get it aligned. I ended up taking the radiator out, and the condenser I just kind of like swung it over so I could get more access, because not being able to see it eye to eye when aligning the keyway is hard, because we were trying to do it from the top and then we tried from the bottom and it just didn't work out. So I took all that off, got it on, bolted it down, tightened it. It's good to go. Right now I'm in the process of trying to find where to mount this little eBay catch can. eBay for the win. This was like 35 bucks, so whatever. Thinking of like maybe trying to figure out somewhere to put it here, or possibly like, I don't know, in the front or like down low. Don't really know, but I'm gonna test out a few places and then I'll check back with you guys. What's up, guys? Back for a little update. Want to show you guys what I've been doing. To be honest, a lot of it was going to O'Reilly's about 5 or 6 times, because I was trying to play with belts and see which one would fit perfect, and which belt would fit where I didn't have to max out the tensioner, so where I had room to play with it. So this is a Gates belt, 49 and an 1/8 inch belt, and it works for the overdriven ATI crank pulley. Got the AC belt as well, so that was fun. Then over here I mounted up eBay catch can. Can't go wrong, 36 bucks. Hopefully it just does the job for what I need before I upgrade. I'm gonna run the hoses here, one to the PCV over here, and then one to the behind the valve cover, the other port. And yeah, so hopefully that works out. I had to delete this little like hood sensor, I think it is, so I'm just gonna jump that wire and make sure it's fine. So the only thing really left to do is put the blower on, seal it, run the vacuum lines, tighten up all the belts. I gotta get hoses for the catch can, and oh, let me show you guys my new exhaust. Well, new to me exhaust. I traded my Z1 for an agency power. It's not fully bolted up yet, but it's on there, so it looks pretty nice. The reason I did it was because I wanted just a bigger muffler and a nicer looking exhaust. I'm not saying the Z1 wasn't nice, it was really nice, and the flow, you know, the direct piping was really good for power, but this one just looks really nice, so I just decided to trade it. But yeah, that's my update for today, so peace out.